In today's video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the website steadyprotection.com. Steadyprotection.com is a malicious website. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. I've made the research of these pop-ups and I came to the conclusion that all such pop-ups try to actually force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. You should be very careful not to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't install anything that they suggest. Don't click on any buttons that are integrated into such pop-ups. Because, as I said, such pop-ups have in mind to make you download some junk software. If you click on this proceed button, you would simply be forwarded to some other junk sites and eventually your computer may be infected. So simply leave this page and don't trust it. Most likely your computer can be contaminated by some adware that is hidden. I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer with its help in order to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.